Before you consider buying BulletVPN, there are a few key things you need to know. With so many VPNs out there, you might wonder how BulletVPN stacks up against the competition. Stick around till the end, as we'll go through everything you need to know about this service. First off, BulletVPN offers a solid set of features, but when compared to bigger names like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, it doesn't have the same extensive server network. BulletVPN covers fewer locations, which can be a deal breaker if you need servers in specific regions for better performance or unblocking geo-restricted content. Next thing, let's talk security. BulletVPN supports strong encryption, which is essential for keeping your data safe. It uses AES 256 encryption, just like top competitors, ensuring that your online activity is private and secure. So, in terms of basic security features, BulletVPN holds up well. But while its kill switch and DNS leak protection are present, it doesn't quite offer the same level of advanced security features as some of the bigger players. The third thing is privacy. BulletVPN has a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't track or store your activity. While this sounds great, it's always important to consider their jurisdiction. BulletVPN is based in Cyprus, which falls under European privacy laws, but it's worth comparing with other providers like ExpressVPN, which has proven in court that it does not log any user activity. Moving on, BulletVPN offers reliable speeds, but again, it doesn't quite match the ultra-fast speeds of ExpressVPN or NordVPN. If you're using a VPN for gaming or streaming in high definition, you might notice a bit of lag or buffering at times. That said, BulletVPN does offer decent speeds for general browsing and streaming, but it may struggle under heavy use or for large file transfers. The fifth thing you need to consider is the platform support. BulletVPN covers a range of devices including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, but it doesn't offer as many options as other services, such as router support or browser extensions. So if you're looking for a VPN with broad device compatibility, you might want to consider alternatives like NordVPN. Next, customer support is something that many users care about. BulletVPN offers live chat, but response times can be slow compared to premium services like ExpressVPN, where support is available 24/7 with fast responses. If you encounter an issue, BulletVPN support will help, but it might not be the quickest experience. The seventh thing is pricing. BulletVPN's pricing is quite competitive, especially when you're signing up for longer terms. However, when compared to major competitors, its monthly plan might seem a bit more expensive. If you're not sure about committing for a year, you may want to test it out first with their 30-day money-back guarantee. Moving on, if you're someone who needs to stream content, BulletVPN works well with most streaming services like Netflix and BBC iPlayer, but it may not consistently access all of the international libraries as well as top competitors. With other VPNs like ExpressVPN, you can reliably access more libraries, especially when it comes to geo-blocked content. The ninth thing is the lack of advanced features. While BulletVPN provides the basics like a kill switch and split tunneling, it's missing some extras like double VPN or obfuscated servers, which are available on other high-end services like NordVPN. This could be important if you need extra layers of privacy or if you're in a restrictive region. The 10th thing to consider is torrenting. BulletVPN allows torrenting, but its speeds can vary. While many users are satisfied with performance for basic file sharing, it's not the best VPN for P2P traffic compared to other providers like PIA or CyberGhost, which are optimized for torrenting. Next, let's talk about compatibility with streaming devices like Roku or Apple TV. BulletVPN doesn't offer native apps for these devices, so you'll have to set up the VPN on your router or use other workarounds. For users looking for a VPN that seamlessly integrates with all their devices, this might be a downside. The 12th and final thing is the user experience. BulletVPN's interface is simple and clean, making it easy to use for beginners. However, more experienced users might find it lacking in customization options. If you prefer to tweak advanced settings, you might feel a little limited compared to services like ExpressVPN, which offer more options for customization. So, is BulletVPN a good option? Yes,